There are a few solutions for locking in makeup, keeping oily skin matte. But setting spray is one of your favorites, and many makeup artists use it as a secret weapon to give their makeup a matte finish. Setting spray, also known as finishing spray or setting mist, is a product that sets makeup very well. In order to lock in the results of your makeup, this is used after applying all of your beauty products. Typically, setting spray include water to hydrate your skin and a variety of polymers to keep your makeup in place. For oily skin, there are also specialized setting sprays that use oil-free formulas. For those with oily skin or who notice their makeup disappearing by the end of the day, a setting spray can be your new best friend. In today's video, we are going to share our ideas and recommendations about setting spray. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video and shop from our top picks.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
How to use setting spray. Setting spray gives your makeup a matte finish, adds a dewy glow, and prevents it from creasing and smudging. But how to use it? Let's see. Step 1. Shake the bottle well. To ensure that your setting spray goes on without dripping or splotches, perform this step. If your setting spray bottle has been sitting around for a while, certain ingredients will separate, so shake it well before using. Step 2. Create an X and T-shaped spray pattern. If you want to apply it optimally, hold the bottle about 6 to 8 inches away. Using the spray from a distance will ensure you get a thorough, even coverage of all makeup products you might need to set. For a greater coverage, spray first in an X formation, then in a T formation. Step 3. Wait for it to dry. Ensure that your setting spray has dried naturally before you rush out the door or pull clothes over your head. As a result, your makeup will not smudge. If you follow these steps, you will get a better result. Now let's see some recommendations. This Rimmel London Stay Matte Fix and Go setting spray locks everything in place before and after makeup application. You can use it as a primer and setting spray so that your makeup goes on smoothly and lasts longer. The fast-drying and oil-free formula keep your makeup in place all day. With just one application, you can prolong and enhance the wear of makeup with a shine-free finish. Get rid of oil from your face with this Milani Make It Last Matte Charcoal Setting Spray. It has powerful ingredients that can boost your skincare routine so you can really lock in your look. Set your makeup and minimize pores with this oil-absorbing spray that contains microfine charcoal powder and silica. Made with Evermatte and Honey Matte, this formula will make your skin look poreless and radiant. With this spray, your makeup will look as if it was just applied for up to 16 hours. In a nutshell, this matte finish spray is equal to a setting spray and blotting paper. Forget about faded and melting makeup. This Maybelline New York Facestudio Lasting Fix Makeup Setting Spray will leave your skin matte and shiny for up to 16 hours. Use this setting spray to enhance your makeup wear and create a matte effect. Lightweight and easy to apply, this spray will control shine and give you a matte finish all day. There are many setting sprays on the market, but this Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray has always been one of the favorites among its users. This formula can set and lock your makeup for up to 16 hours, so you won't have to touch it up. Thanks to its patented temperature control technology, this weightless vegan mist will reduce the temperature of your makeup. And no matter what you wear, like foundation, concealer, eyeshadow, or blush, everything will be in place. For oily skin, our top pick is in NYX's Professional Makeup Setting Spray Matte. People who hold blotting sheets at all times will probably need this spray. NYX is a premium beauty brand, so it's hard to believe it is so cheap. With its matte finish, this lightweight makeup setting spray is perfectly breathable and comfortable to use, so your makeup will stay on all day. Moreover, this oil-free setting spray is a cult favorite among those with oily skin. So these are the 5 best setting sprays that are best for oily skin. Follow our tips and get your desired item from our recommendation. Thanks for watching our video. If you like our video, then hit like and share it with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.